Hi, I'm Srikanth. I'm from Rajana Sicily. I have completed my master degree as an MCA from Hyderabad Speaking College. And in the June, I joined in JSpiders in the year 2023. Then I started my full stack course in the JSpiders, Java, front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and coming to back-end technologies, core Java, advanced Java. And before joining in JSpiders, I have only theoretical knowledge. Then after joining the JSpiders, I improved my coding skills, and my faculties are helping me a lot. And my trainers are like Vivek sir is helping me a lot in the core Java, and coming to advanced Java, the Radha ma'am and the HRs also helped me to like add the requirements, and they conduct the grooming sessions for cracking the interviews easily. Then I'll also attend that particular groomings for then after I cracked an company as a position as associate software engineer, and my package is 3 lakhs.